Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to the online class. Today we will learn new chapter in English, chapter number 16, Write Your Own Story. In this lesson we will learn how to write story. There are a group of a 5 person. They form a story. Now let's start. Look at the chart given on pages 40-41. Each person in the group is given only one column to choose from. From column A, one person chooses any 5 characters. From column B, another person can choose any 5 characteristics or qualities of this character. From column C, D, and E, the 3 remaining children choose the story type, the period, and the one setting, that is place, respectively. So, here are 5 students, a group of 5. What they did, we will see on the next page. The chart is given. So, each person, that means each student in a group, give only one column to choose. Then what happened? From column 1, one person choose any 5 characters what he likes, and from column B another person can choose any 5 quality and the characteristics for those characters was chosen by first person from column 1, and respectively from column C, D, and E, the 3 remaining children, what they will do? They will choose the story type, the period, and one place respectively. But condition is that the condition is that every person chooses separately without consulting the others. The condition is only that no all the 5 person do not tell each other that what they are choosing. They have to choose it separately without telling or consulting with each other. After everyone has chosen, you put all the elements together and build a story and play with it. That what you have to do after everyone has chosen the characteristics, the characters, and story type, the period, and place. What they have to do? They have to do put all these elements they have chosen and build a story and play. That time the story or play will be interesting. It must have beginning, some events, and an end. The story has the story must have the beginning and the events where there's the stories and what are the stories events means, and that stories and when it will started and what are the other things in the stories and what is the end of the stories. You have to write it on the basis of the elements you chosen. You may choose other supporting characters and move from one setting or time period to another if necessary, but you must use what you choose first. If you choose all the characters, then it is okay. If not, then what you will do? You may choose other supporting characters too. But after consulting each other, or you can move to one setting or one period time period to another if necessary, if your story is not built up properly. But try to use only those characteristics or things you have chosen first. Now see, A. From column A, one person has to choose the 5 character. It will be a magician, dog, schoolgirl, scientist, schoolboy, a superhero, mouse, robot, thieves, detective, soldier, neighbor, farmer, elf, dinosaurs, acrobat, merchant, pilot, king, queen, or hawker. He can choose any of the 5 character, and the second person choose 5 characteristics of those character from column A. It may be brave, talkative, coward, silly, wicked, sly, kind, honest, weak, cunning, bullying, loyal, nosy, rash, forgetful, helpful, very intelligent, selfish, scholar, and strong. The another third person choose have to choose the story type. He has to choose one story type. It may be a fairy tale, fantasy, that means a dream, mystery, that means a detective type story, adventure, ordinary, success story, funny, science fiction, that means it may be a science related, tragic, or play. The another person, fourth person, choose from D column the time, that in the time of the caveman means it is related to the uh, old cave formation. So in the time of the caveman, या फिर once upon a time 1000 to 500 years ago, 20 years ago, now 20 years from now, 200 years from now, when dinosaurs lived on the earth. We can choose any one from this time period. And the next person and the last person have to choose the place where this story taken place, that is your city, town, village, on another planet, in a faraway land, in a desert, in the forest, in a hill fort, or on an island, in a big city, in a space, in a small kingdom. Then you have to put all these elements together and form a story. See, do you have these elements in your story? After writing your story, see these elements in your story. The good description, you will need adjective to describe the character, events and actions. The story must have the events and actions. The story must have the importance like dialogues and conversation, and also monologues if you like. It has some surprises for the readers, and then you have to share your story with other groups of people. So in this way you have to uh, prepare one story based on these columns. Now, students, I hope you all understood this concept of how to write a story by using some elements or some characteristics or character. You have to form or you have to prepare one story on the basis of these all elements. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jazakallah.